Good evening everyone. My name is Anay Pandey and currently I am studying in New English Academy of Genius School, and here I am the student of Persistent Spoken English and Personal Development Academy of Wardha. Friends, English is the secondary or third language in this country, but we have taken it as the first because all the parents are sending their children to convent or English medium school and their total syllabus is in English. We have one subject of Hindi and one subject of Marathi, but all other subjects we have to learn in English, and that's the real problem. The students who speak in Hindi or Marathi at home. So how can that student learn everything in English? Every single day is like a burden on student because he have to attend tuitions, schools and other activities. He is busy in his full day. Every single day is like a burden on student because we can hardly understand what we are reading in our syllabus. Somehow we mug up the answers of every question and we manage to write in exam paper. And it is not necessary to improve our English. Our parents work hard day and night to provide their children best quality education, and they want to see their children in better condition and trained English speaking. But the reality is totally opposite. Student can't even make a single sentence in English even after completing his total primary education. मुझे आज भी याद है जब मैं अपने पापा के साथ पहली बार पर्सिस्टेंट आया, तब तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था पर्सिस्टेंट क्या है और इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग जैसी कोई चीज़ भी होती है। एक्चुअली मैं क्लास ज्वाइन करना ही नहीं चाहता था। एग्ज़ाम के बाद समय मिलता तो मैं एकेडमी में क्रिकेट खेलना चाहता था। Somehow my father convinced me to visit Persistent at least once, so check my grammar knowledge, reading and handwriting. But trust me guys, I was below average at that time. Then I realized it is necessary to improve my English for my future, and now the picture is totally opposite. You can talk to me in English anytime and you can check my grammar knowledge anytime. And now I would like to thank my father thousands of times to take my admission in Persistent, and I also want to thank Afsar Sheikh sir and Parvez sir for their hard dedication towards us. Thank you sir for this confidence in me. Thank you so much.